Getting our last raised bed built. Hi, Scarlet Berry. Oh my god, you're so cute. So that's our compost pile. That'll be our next raised bed. Got stuff on the barbecue too right now. Long day. Mother's Day tomorrow. And then we're going to be set for the growing season after this. Got seeds started in the house. Fun stuff. Ash from the pit. Mixed in there. Okay, so those are the plywood panels that we got from my dad. We got 3 of them. So those are going to be the ones that we're going to be using for that final raised bed. Repurposed. Waste not, want not. Hi, Gretch. Hi, Gretchen. Auntie Gretchen. Where's our little peeper back there? With Mama Beatrice. Hi, little peeper. You're beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. Hello. Hi, babies. So we tried to bring the little one out today and it wasn't happening. So Beatrice is still broody. She's got 6 more eggs underneath her and we're just not sure what's going to happen because as this one continues to grow, it's going to want to explore and do stuff. Beep, 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 beep. And she might want to get off the eggs. So I think we got like 10 more days to go. So yeah, and the coop has to be cleaned up tomorrow's task. Doing the stuff. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yes, you are. She's laying eggs again. Because when Beatrice goes broody, the rest of the girls her age stop laying eggs. Raising chickens. Yeah. You want to go in there, eh, babe? Look at you looking so handsome, Stitchberry. Okay, and supper's almost ready. Taters, sausage, asparagus, with some Hopi squash, and our cherry tomatoes in olive oil and garlic that we did with North Shore. Yeah, beautiful. Propane's super expensive, so we do a lot of food. If you missed my video on the propane theft, go and check that out. We still haven't heard back from the company, and yeah, I may just have to release a video that won't be so pleasant to all of Ontario. Yeah. Got more rabbit manure too the other day, put into my grow bags. So those are ready to go. Laundry on the line, saving hydro. And here are some of the seedlings I have. These are the Hopi squash seedlings. I started 16 of them, and yeah, they're gonna be given away or sold. I haven't decided yet. To local people here. Rare Hopi squash. They grow giant sized. Here's a real big one. So yeah, I'm really happy with the Hopis. I'm happy with my cucumbers and other stuff growing on. Do the stuff, folks.
Holy moly, Scarlet Berry. Scarlet Berry.
Alright, I'm getting in there. Oh, look who's here! So the top layer is going to be removed, all the leaves and stuff, so it'll be a great base. Like a Hugelkultur. We just gotta do some shoveling.
That's why I was trying to tell you to bring a curtain out.
Huh?
Bring a curtain out.
I don't know how anybody can breathe with a mask on. Found the eggs. 10 eggs. Okay, so almost done. Just don't want to have a lot of birch bark in there because it doesn't break down. That kind of bark will break down, but not birch bark. That's the last of it. Okay, see my grass again. Woo!
Just gonna let the girls back in.
Hi! The outlaws. Outlaw chicks!
You don't even care.
And filled in all along the house because this is where the chickens like to dig when they get the free range. Yeah, they destroy everything, so they're on lockdown now that we got everything growing, and I'll be able to plant some grass seed in here and not let this happen again. I want some of my beauty back in my yard, and the fruit trees are all budding. Fruit trees. So awesome. They came back. They survived. So I guess that just about concludes our raised bed building project, right?
Yeah, get some shit in here, eh?
Yeah, I'll put some bunny poo in there. But looks awesome. That is huge. Huge! compared to our other ones. Everything's looking really good though. We're ready for the season. Thanks for watching, everyone. Do the stuff. Grow the food now.